Senator, President Trump's expected to sign a trade deal with China January 15th. You've been vocal in your criticism of that country's continued human rights abuses. Should there now be room cleared for the U.S. to sanction Beijing's leaders for some of those human rights abuses, including rounding up Muslim minorities in concentration camps, as the Pentagon describes it?
Absolutely. Absolutely, and I hope we can get a deal done with the House to find. They passed a version of a Uyghur human rights bill. We have our version. They're pretty close, so we can get something done and signed. Look, the trade issues with China are not going to be the subject of one deal. This is a major reordering of our relationship to try to bring some balance and symmetry to it. But I think the human rights issue and the geopolitical issues are separate from those. They're not intermingled here. I will never accept the notion that somehow in order to be able to sell them more things, we have to look the other way on some of the grotesque human rights violations that we're seeing systemized on their part, both in province throughout China in general, but also in places like Hong Kong as well. So I will continue to work on that front because I don't think the two issues are related.